In this video, I'm going to show you a complete blueberry leather crafting tutorial in Grounded 2. So basically what we need to do firstly is to find the blueberries right here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you on the map where you can find a bunch. So if I just zoom out. So here at the ice cream cart here, as you can see, you will be able to find a bunch in this specific area right here, or at least I was able to. And if you have a bow, that's perfect. You can just shoot at them, as you can see, and they will just like fall off. And then you're going to harvest some blueberries here. So you're going to harvest the blueberry chunks here. Try to take as many as possible, because why not? And when it's done, by the way, we are going to, I'm just going to grab this one as well. So let's grab this one. And what will happen now is that I'm going to run back to the, what's it called actually? Respawn, not the respawn point, but it's like a center here basically. I don't know why I'm not able to actually get it up. But basically this is the center, and I'm going to run back to it to be able to actually show you how we are going to craft it. So now when you're back here at the resource center, I think it's called, you can go in here and then you're going to find the resource analyzer right here. And in here, you're going to analyze the blueberry chunk here. As you can see, you need to make sure that you have this analyzed. I have already. And then when you have done so, we're going to run to our workbench. So go into your workbench, then click right here. And here is blueberry leather, as you can see. And to be able to make one, we need 3 blueberry chunks. So I'm just going to craft some. And yeah, basically this is exactly how to do this.